You already know that License 1 is now Go Business Licensing. But do you know that as a food services business owner, you can enjoy better and faster licensing process with our guided journey feature? All you need is your CourtPass login details to apply for your licenses in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Help us get to know you. Start by adding your food services business premises. Tell us the name of your premises. Next, let us know what your concept and activities are. And select your business model so that we can recommend the right licenses for you. Now, enter the address of your premises so we can check if it is approved for your use. Step 2. Apply for your licenses. And just like that, all the licenses, required documents and permissions you will need to get your business going will be listed. All you need to do is to apply for your licenses in the listed sequence. You can even add more licenses if you need. Just ensure you have the required documents for your application. Step 3. Make payment. Payment is consolidated for every stage of application for your convenience. Once you're done, you will receive confirmation of your application. It's that simple. Now, all you have to do is to check your email or log in to the Guided Journey feature dashboard to stay updated on your application status. Ready to get your business going? Log on to gobusiness.gov.sg to start your guided journey.